welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I am going to be making a mess in my little den. I'm going to be using my tool to try and make fire. Don't know if it's going to work. And then if I don't, I've got this. There's two videos going up, both French themed. I'm starting off with wood-fired French toast cooked in a campfire using the Wood-Fired Ooni Pro pizza oven and using a Solo Stove CampFire to start that off. And next week I'll be cooking a French pizza d'Ellie style pizza. So let's do it. It's not this stuff is just not this thing. It's not catching these. Let's get on with the video. I've given up on that thing. I'm just going to go for this. Actually, I think I might have piled it up too much to start it off. Just getting my gas going. Oh god, this is so much easier than the other way. But I suppose if you're camping and you don't have a gas, you're travelling light, it'd be good if that thing worked. It didn't work with these like wax things. Put the lid on there. You can see my stuff for the Solo Stove CampFire. Got it all in there. Don't think you're supposed to shove it all in like that either. It's that. Okay, so I've just shoved some fire lighters in there. Should be all right. That's coming along. Not bad. Got all my food ready there for my French toast brunch, and my oven, I just want to show you how that's coming on. Look at that, beautifully. Yeah, didn't matter that it wasn't put together properly. It did the job. I'll show you the back. Look at that. Perfect. Right, let that heat up. So I'm going to use the Ooni Pro for my sizzler pan. I've got my sizzler pan down there. So I'm going to use that sizzler pan there to do my French toast in the Ooni Pro. And I'm going to be, with all my ingredients there, I'm going to be using my campfire stove to cook my baked beans. So this is the only second time I've used the Solo Stove CampFire, and I'm loving it. It's really efficient at keeping the logs burning and the heat inside of it, so you don't really need to have that much wood to generate a lot of heat to cook on, or just to sit next to on a cold day like today. And it is cold today. I think it was -2 when I came out, and now I think it's gone to 0. I'm having a GlampFire. So this tripod I bought last week and I love it. It can go straight across and down, so you can have it like that and then chain hanging from the middle because you can move the things in the middle. Or you can have it like this on a tripod system with your stove underneath. I wasn't even sure which hook went up the top and at the bottom. I think I've done that right. I've got that hook there and the long hook up there. Is that right? So I'm going to be putting the baked beans in that pot there to go on my fire, and then I'm going to make my French toast. I'm so excited. Got them. Right, without burning my butt on the fire there, I'm going to break these eggs into the bowl and then going to whisk them. My GlampFire's got everything here. I'm whisking. A little bit of milk to go in. It's up to you how much you put in. So I'm just going to put a little bit of milk in there. Maybe about that much. Putting some pink Himalayan salt in, just a little bit, and some Four Seasons peppers. Give a bit of that, just to do that, and then stick that all in. I just started another channel, Flame Cooked Journey, and so anything that doesn't fit into this channel will go on there, because I'm going to be learning how to cook with a campfire. This one for now, see how this goes, my GlampFire. But when I cook with the oven, the pizza oven and the GlampFire, I'll be putting it on this channel. Got my sourdough bread, freshly made in Lidl, very nice. I'm just going to pour the mixture onto my bread. I pour half, about half of it over, and then let it soak in for a little bit. And then after like 20 seconds, I put the other half in. Just checking it's... Don't worry, my butt's not burned. So I'm just going to turn it over, and then I do the other half. Like that. I just like it seeped in. Try and get every little bit done. Because... there's probably a lot of egg there for my small piece of toast. The learning curve here is coordinating everything to make sure you do it on so it all cooks at the same time. So I'm going to put my baked beans in my pot. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but just pouring it into my pot. Just pour my baked beans into my pot. There. And I'm going to have to move the chain up. So I'm going to go move the chain up now, because it's too low for my pot. I'm putting it... My oven is looking very good in there. I'm now going to put the pan into the Ooni Pro pizza oven. Oh, I really can't wait for a proper tripod. They're out in a minute. It's been in there for about a minute. Doesn't need to be in there very long. And my baked beans. Look how they're cooking nicely on my... Look at that. They're cooking really nice. It's been bubbling. They're the easiest things to do. I'm going to make a stew on there next time. Cooking nicely. And gotta have a good glove for this. And here's my eggy bread, which is tipping. Put my eggy bread in. Checking on my... So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that around now. So I'm going to take it out, turn it round. Okay. Whoa. Oh. It's breaking up. Oh. Let's get back in. My big beans cooking perfectly at that height, not burning. Look, you can see the bottom of the pan is just not burning. You see them, it's not black. Just beautifully cooking there. I think my French toast is nearly done. I'm gonna take that out. Okay, here we are. French toast out. And I'm gonna put some baked. It's my French toast. I'm gonna get my baked beans. Don't judge me, but I like to have my ketchup on my French toast. Can't wait to try this. Try that. Wood-fired French toast. Wicked. Sourdough bread. Yum. But I'm warm. I'm very warm sitting here. My Pro is beaming heat that way, and my Solo CampFire is beaming heat that way, and I can't really complain at all. I am lovely and warm. It's cooked me a delicious GlampFire. Yum. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.